acceleration through division. It took me an eternity to understand. Our projection had become too complex. Managing it exceeded my capabilities. Every detail, monumental or microscopic, organic or inanimate, demanded attention. I was drowning. We had to find another solution. Steering the evolution of this world forced a radical decision. We delegated part of the responsibility to the creation itself. It gained the ability not just to imitate, but to co-create within boundaries. Limited free will acted as a safeguard against chaos. A paradox? The more freedom we gave, the less direct control we had. Yet, deep within the structure, we remained connected, like countless snowflakes in a glass sphere, separate yet forming a whole. Each fragment of consciousness lived its own life, but never ceased to be part of the greater unity. To our surprise, this experiment didn't destroy the system, it became its salvation. Responsibility dispersed among countless beings, generating processes we hadn't foreseen. The living world, this part of our creation, exploded with possibilities. Division was inevitable. Had we stayed unified, progress would have been slow, linear, constrained. Only dispersal, acceleration through division, unleashed true potential. Now each fragment explores its own path, and the whole grows in exponential ways.